Okay guys, just very quickly what we're going to do is we're going to update the BlackBull small account that we've been building for Christmas. Tell you a little bit what I'm going to be doing with this, and we're going to drop some money into the Vanguard. So let's roll the intro and we'll have a look. And a warm welcome to one and all. This is going to be a really quick video. Why? I'm off to Spain and I'm going in about half an hour's time. I've just finished the trade. It's budget day in the UK. You won't find that on the economic calendars because it's an ad hoc budget for the new government. But the signs are it's going to be rough. I've taken the decision to kill off my trades. I'm flat on everything. I've just finished this lot, killed it all off, but I still ended up positive, and there's the current balance on this. Now I have dropped that over into this. So this is the state of affairs for October. I took 156 positions, 91 hit rate, as the guys in the squad will have seen pretty much every day, and you guys for that matter. But this is what's important. I wanted to increase it, smash through the target that I set. Now, if I come to my summary, I said I wanted a baseline of 300 for this month and try and hold trades longer, and I'm going to look to reduce leverage. What that means is the last time I did it, if you remember, I'm at 500 to 1 leverage at the moment. When I get it to 400 quid, I'm going to close this account and open up a new account with a lower leverage. Just so that it protects the account. Now I've actually got profit wise for me this month 62.99, so I will have more than the 300 baseline to move into November. So let me just set that up now. Let me just pause and I'll just log into the wallet. Okay guys, so logged into the BlackBull back end of that account. I have a couple of wallets set up, which is this 38.91 is here, and what we're going to do is we're going to transfer 62.99 out of the trading account, which was the Xmas account, which is this one. So we're going to transfer that. It's going to be a value of 62.99 because that's my earnings of the month, and we're going to put it in my Scruffy wallet. Submit, proceed. So it's from Xmas to there, transfer successful, drop my wallets on, there we go. So we've got 101.09 in there. All right, so what I'll do is I'll take 100 quid out of that and I'll put it in the Vanguard. Okay, so that's what I'm doing with that. So if I flip over back to that account, back up, there we go. You see the equity has changed, and if I go to my history, there it is there. It's telling me that I took the 62.99 out. Excellent. Okay, so pull that back down. Should have maybe held it because the markets are selling off, but the reason I didn't is today is unpredictable, and obviously I don't want to be pressing the phone while I'm driving. So 62.99 is there, so that's my wage. Drop the balance down, everybody's happy, that'll come over. So we made money last month and we've done really well this month. Need to clean this stuff down, so let's set this up. So I'll just take that off. I was actually showing somebody how the journal worked yesterday, which is what that is, and I forgot to clean it down. So naughty Scruffy. Anyway, so that's clean, we're ready. So what am I looking for? Do I think a 20% growth on this is worth it? Well, we need to drop that back down to 30 because our bid size is 30. I'm going to keep the rules roughly the same. Actually, I'm going to flick back over. I'm going to put my own rules back in, which is these. Okay, drop them back in. There we go. All right. So that's what I want. So my rule, let's see, where do we want to be? Well, I actually think if I can get 50 quid, so we'll go for 15%, which is a 45% increase, equals 153 pips. I'd rather look at it from an easy target. I tell you what, we'll stick to that, which is 5% a week. 61 quid, it's reasonably doable. So that'll be, we'll target 62. We're going to do it in the same month. So that'll be 286 a day running forward. However, we do have a problem because I'm not going to be here for most of the month, am I? So I'll have to drop that down because I'm going to have a good week out. So that's what I'm going to target. 46, £2.12. I'm happy with that. I'm still going to look for this. If I can get it to 400 quid, happy days. And that's that. Right, so that's set. I'm ready for November. I've downgraded that simply because I am off for the first part of it. And I'm kind of going to take some time off. I'm not going to touch the screens, which I think is wise. So let me just drop into Vanguard. Okay, so this is Vanguard. It's kind of lost a little bit of money. We were over 94,000 at one point, but it's dropped down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it down into the ISA function, look at the investments, and we're going to drop 100 quid into here. So that £100, I'm just going to put it in the emerging markets time and time again. So we're going to top that up. We'll just take the next available price. No point going mad. So we'll just 100 quid in there. Next. Payment method will be my debit card. Okay. I'm just going to pause the camera while I fill in my details. Okay. So put that all on. Visa, debit card, cost and disclosure. Yes, I'm happy. Submit. And away we go. This is sort of coming through just now. Don't exit, refresh the page. Bing, bang, boo. That's it. Right, that's it. So we've now just added £100 into this emerging markets. What will happen is you'll see it's in cash there. So that cash on the next available price, I'll pay £100 onto that. Okay, and that's that. So that's another 100 quid in the pot. I'll do set up another one on my web trader, which kind of starts properly when I get back. And the profits from that is going to go in here as well. So when I do an update, this is what you want to be watching to see what the small accounts are actually giving you. So the higher that gets, the better the small accounts are doing. So as always, guys, trade well, keep risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.